Good morning everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Study 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and today we are here to discuss the another MCQ series on principles and practices of banking. Okay. So as we know, principles and practices of banking is a subject in which we have a huge syllabus. There are 5 modules and every module have a lot of chapters. So what we have to do here, we have to complete the sub syllabus as soon as possible so that we will be able to revise the content also. We need a revision at least minimum 2 times. Minimum 2 times we have to do revise the syllabus of principles and practices of banking. This is minimum, and as much as you are capable of doing revision, that is very good for your exam because you will be able to answer the questions very easily. So okay, good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning Kritik, good morning Nitrajan. So I think everything is okay, audio video both are okay, so let's start. Before starting the session, if you are new to the Office Asara 24/7 channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application, because with the help of this application, you will be able to know that which are the upcoming batches are there and which batches are running. And apart from that, you will have a certain coins in the application which you can use as a money, okay, to purchase any particular batch. So let's start with the first question, that is talking about RTGS. So first of all, when we talk about RTGS, it stands for real-time gross settlement. And RTGS is the method by which we transfer money from one person accounts to another. It can be done in the same bank, it can be done in the multiple banks or the different banks. Okay. So whenever we talk about RTGS, it is real-time gross settlement. It is the online method of transferring funds. Okay. So we have to answer that which of the following is according to RTGS is correct. So first is saying bank will route payments through online messages to RBI's clearing cell. Second is saying each transaction will be cleared and settled independently on a minute by minute basis. The payee would have funds in his account within a maximum time frame of 2 hours of settlement. So which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following will be the option? A, B, C or D? So when we talk about RTGS, RTGS is the method of transferring money. Okay. So first of all, one thing we have to understand is that we have RTGS, NEFT and IMPS. These are the 3 services which helps us to transfer online funds from one account to another account, and all the 3 services are available 24/7. Okay, all the 3 services are available 24/7. And whenever we talk about all these 3 services, NEFT, IMPs, they have individual uh, differences in the minimum amount to transfer or maximum amount to transfer, that will be different, and it was decided by Reserve Bank of India in RTGS and NEFT conditions. But when it IMPS, individual bank decide their amount, that what they want to transfer in a particular financial year, or not a financial year, in a particular transaction day. Okay, how much amount you want to transfer with the help of IMPS. In RTGS, NEFT, you can transfer money by using the account details, by using the IFSC code, or by using the mobile number of the customer of the which is linked to that particular account. But when it comes to the IMPS, we have option to transfer money with the mobile number, with the IFSC code, and apart from that, we have another option, that is MMID. MMID is mobile money identifier. You can use the MMID number also to transfer money with the help of IMPS. Okay, but in RTGS and NEFT, we have to use IFSC code, or you can use the mobile number. So B and D, 2 options are coming, B and D. Okay, that's it. What about rest? What about rest? Answer everyone. What do you think, that which of the following is the right option? We're talking about RTGS only. So if we talk about RTGS, RTGS is the service which transfer money, and minimum amount you need to transfer under RTGS is 2 lakh. You can't transfer less than 2 lakh rupees in RTGS. Okay. And when it comes to the NEFT, there is no limit. Okay, in NEFT there is no limit. Our settlement will be taken under the NEFT, not in the RTGS. Okay, so when we talk about RTGS, first is correct that bank will route payments through online messages to RBI's clearing cell. Second is also correct that each transaction will be cleared and settled independently on a minute by minute basis. But when it comes to that, the payee would have fund in his account within a maximum time frame of 2 hours of the settlement. That is the condition under the NEFT. Okay, next, hedging means. There is a term hedging. What does this hedging means? It's a part of capital market transaction, so you have to tell what does hedging means. So first is saying it is a type of share. Second is saying it comes under money market. Third is saying when an investor invests its fund in different sector to minimize the risk. Fourth is saying when investor invests its fund in single company to raise fund for the company. So which of the following is correct regarding hedging? What will be the answer of second question? Okay, Deepak is saying C. What about rest? Okay, everyone is going with C option. And that's true, that's correct. So when an investor invests its fund in different sectors to minimize the risk, this process is known as hedging. So first of all, when we talk about portfolio investment, what is portfolio investment? Portfolio investment is a type of investment in which individual person invest his or her money in a diversified sectors. Why we are investing in the diversified sector? To minimize the risk. So portfolio investment is the type of investment you are investing in diversified sector, and this process of investing in diversified sector, this process is known as hedging. So hedging is simply a process in which investor invests its fund in diversified sector or different sector to minimize the risk. Let's say for example I have 10 lakh rupees of savings and I want to invest that money in the market so that I will be able to generate more earning on that amount of money. So what I have done, I have invested the whole 10 lakh amount of rupees in the share market, and share market down, share market falls, then my whole money will be went to the loss. Okay, so what I have to do, I do not have to invest the whole amount of money in a 1 second. What I have done now, I invested certain money in share market, certain in mutual funds, certain in gold. I have done FD of my money. I have taken insurance policy of my money. So I have invested my money in diversified sector. Now let's say in case if a share market's downs or share market falls, in that situation I do not have to lose whole 10 lakh rupees. I only going to lose the amount I have invested in the share market, and there is a chances that I can earn that loss from the another sector where I invested the money also. Okay, so that's why the hedging means simply when investor invests its fund in diversified sector to minimize its risk, that is known as your hedging. Okay, now next is third question is talking about which among the following is our main function of RBI? So RBI is the central bank of our country, and the question is asking that which of the following are the main functions of RBI? So RBI performs a lot of functions. Okay, so we have to tell that which of the following is the function of RBI. First is saying it issues and exchange or destroy currencies not fit for circulation. Second is saying it manages the foreign exchange reserve of India. Third is saying it performs as a lender of last resort for commercial banks. Fourth is saying it works as a regulator and supervisor of financial system. So which of the following will be correct? It's a very simple question regarding RBI. Third is D. Everyone is going with D, that is all. Okay. So when we talk about Reserve Bank of India, RBI is the central bank of our country, and it do issue or exchange that destroy currencies which are not fit for circulation. That is true. It also manages the foreign exchange reserve. What is foreign exchange reserve? Simply, when we talk about foreign exchange simply means exchange of currencies. The rate at which we are exchanging currency, that rate is known as exchange rate. And when it comes to the foreign exchange reserve, it means simply whatever currency you have exchanged, when you are having a reserve of that currency, when you are having a foreign currencies reserve, so it is managed by Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so right answer, second option is also true. Third is saying it perform as a lender of last resort for commercial bank. That is also true, that whenever commercial bank requires money, if they have no other options to take money, then RBI is going to help them. Next is it works as a regulator and supervisor of the financial system. That is also true. So right answer will be all of the above, that all are the functions of Reserve Bank of India. Very good. So right answer will be D. Okay. Now next question. Derivatives are securities whose value is derived from two or more basic variables, that is underlying assets. These includes which of the following? So when we talk about derivatives, we should know about derivative. What is derivative? It is a simple, it is a product. Derivative is a product, or it can be a security whose value is derived from two or more basic variables, and that basic variable is known as underlying asset. Okay, and when we talk about derivatives, which of the following is a type of derivative? First is saying options, second is saying forward contract, third is saying swap agreement, fourth is saying future contracts. So which of the following is the type of derivative? And what is derivative? Simply a product whose value you are deriving from two or more basic variables, and those variables are known as underlying asset. And if, for example, if we talk about underlying assets, we can say that exchange rate is your underlying asset, index is your underlying assets, your bond value is an underlying asset, interest rate is an underlying assets. So any value which creates the value of another product, that is known as your derivative. So C and D, we are getting two options, C and D. Okay. Yeah, so right answer will be your correct option will be your C, that all are the derivatives. Apart from that, we have warrants also. We have warrants also. So we have future contract, forward contract options. We have two types of options, that is call and put option. Then we have warrant, and then we have swap agreement. So all these are the types of derivative. All these values will be derived from two or more basic variables, and that variables will be known as underlying asset. Okay. Now next, which of the following cannot be part of the debt market? So next question is that which of the following is not a part of debt market? Now debt means loan. Okay, whenever we talk about debt instrument is a loan instrument. So we are talking about that which of the following instrument is a type of instrument which is not asking for the loan, which is not asking for the debt, then that will not be a part of the debt market. Which of the following will be right? A, B, C, D. Debentures issued by companies, shares issued by companies, government securities, bonds issued by PSUs. PSUs stands for public sector undertakings. Okay. PSU stands for public sector undertakings. B and C, two options are coming, B and C. No, D is also there. See, we are talking about debt market. Debt means loan. So type of instrument in which you are not taking loan from the public, that will be the answer. See, if we are a company is issuing debenture is already also a debt instrument. Both are debt instrument. It means both are the type of debt market. When it comes to the government security, here also government is borrowing money from public, whose selling and purchasing will be done by Reserve Bank of India. So it's also a part of debt instrument. It is also debt instrument. But when it comes to the shares gives you ownership. Whenever a company is issuing share, company do not have a liability that they have to repay the amount of the investor, because whenever a person is investing in shares, company is giving ownership to that person, company is making that person partner of itself. So the right answer will be B, that share is not a part of your debt market. Your government securities, your bonds, your debentures are the part of debt market. Okay, so right answer will be your B. Why B? Because shares are shares gives you the ownership, it gives you the partnership in a particular company. Whenever you are purchasing shares, your profit and loss depends on the company. If company is in profit, you will get profit. If company is facing loss, then you have to bear loss, because you have become the partner of that particular company. So shares gives you ownership, partnership, and when it comes to the debt market, that is the instrument which on which you are taking loan from the public, and that is debenture, debenture, government security, and bonds. The example of government securities are unlimited. We can say that the government is issuing treasury bills, cash management bill, dated government security, Kisan Vikas Patra, national savings certificate, gold bond, etc. So these are the types of securities of government of India, which is used by government to raise funds from the market at the time government is taking loan. Okay. So now let me know out of 5 how many questions answer you have given correct, and also those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session once. Okay. Now, one information for all of you, that the English medium batch is already started from yesterday. So it actually started from 26th of July, but from 26th of July we were having an introduction sessions of all the 3 subjects, and then we have started the PPB subjects and all the other subjects live classes, conceptual classes from 1st of August. From 1st of August. So we have started from 1st of August this particular batch. So this batch has started from yesterday onwards, and 140 plus hour live classes will be there, 60 plus ebooks will be there, 80 plus topic tests will be there, and 24/7 recorded classes will be available for all of you. Okay, so to enroll in any in this particular batch, you have to use the code Y496 and you will get 80% discount from the Adda 24/7 application. Okay, apart from that, as I have told you, you have to practice topic wise questions, you have to practice module wise questions, and also we have to complete the overall full length test. So you will be able to find overall full length test here of 120 questions of all the e-subject, 50 plus tests will be available here. So these are this is the option that you can use for the maximum practice, and to enroll in this particular product, you can use the code Y496S. Okay, you have to add S at the last for ebooks or the test series. Okay, apart from that, we have Mahapacks also, and Mahapacks are the one-stop centers for all of you, because it includes all the ebooks, all the test series, all the live batches. Everything will be available here. You do not have to go for a single product individually. Everything will be available. Okay, now how to enroll? To enroll in any particular batch, you have to visit the 24/7 application, or you can go to the website also. It will be better if you go to the application, because there you will find the 1% additional discount. So click on the JAIIB CAIIB section and you will find the bilingual English product. You will find all the batches which are running on the application, and all the test series which are available for all of you. Okay, so individual subjects test series available, individual subjects batches are also available if you are going to give only one subject exam or 2 subject exam. So if you want a comprehensive batch, just click on the particular batch, do read all the details here, check the study plan, and click on the view offer. After clicking on view offer, you will find this window, and you can use the code Y496 here and apply this code. You will find maximum discount here of 80%, which is going on right now. So right now 80% off is going on, and if you purchase the same product from Adda 24/7 application by using the same code Y496, then you will get 81% discount from there. Okay, so this batch will be available for 3199 rupees, and if you purchase from Adda 24/7 application, 100 rupees will be also deducted, or it depends on the coins which are in your application. Okay, so you will get there the 1% additional discount. So this is how you can enroll in a particular batch, and the batch is started from yesterday onwards, because the first conceptual class we have started from 1st of August. Okay, so this is how you can enroll yourself, and if you still have any query regarding any particular thing, you can ask in the comment section, and we'll check your comment and answer your query. Okay, yeah, it's sure they will try to do so. Okay, So this is all for today. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. If you like the session, then do share the session with your friends also, colleagues also who are preparing for JAIIB exam, and press the bell icon.